Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says that solve the equation cos theta plus cos 3 theta equals to 2 into cos 2 theta, which means theta की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल के कॉन्सेप्ट क्या यूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट रिजल्ट इज cos c plus cos d, it is equal to 2 into cos c minus d upon 2 into cos c plus d upon 2. And second result, when cos theta equals to cos alpha, then general solution of theta, it is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, where n belongs to any integer. So now इसके concept को use करके equation को solve करते हैं. Given equation is cos theta plus cos 3 theta equals to 2 into cos 2 theta. So from here it can be written as cos theta plus cos 3 theta minus 2 into cos 2 theta, it is equal to 0. So from here first of all cos c plus cos d का formula apply करेंगे on cos theta plus cos 3 theta पे. So it becomes 2 into cos 3 theta plus theta upon 2 into cos 3 theta minus theta upon 2 minus 2 into cos 2 theta equals to 0. So from here it is equal to 2 into cos 3 theta plus theta upon 2, it is equal to 2 theta into cos 3 theta minus theta 2 theta upon 2, it is theta minus 2 into cos 2 theta as it is 2 into cos 2 theta equals to 0. So from here take 2 into cos 2 theta common, remaining terms are cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. So from here we can say that either 2 cos 2 theta equals to 0 or cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. So from here cos 2 theta equals to 0, now which is equal to cos 2 theta equals to 0 वैल्यू कहाँ पे होती है cos पे, at cos pi upon 2. So from here it is cos theta equals to cos alpha form. So from here theta equals to 2 theta, it is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Here alpha is pi upon 2, where n belongs to any integer. And now cos theta minus 1 equals to 0, इसको solve करते हैं. So from here cos theta it is equal to 1. Now cos theta equals to cos 0 degree. So from here theta equals to 2n pi plus minus 0, where n belongs to any integer. So from here theta equals to 2n pi, where n belongs to any integer. And यहाँ पर वैल्यू 2 थीटा की आई थी हमारे पास. अगर थीटा की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करें फ्रॉम हियर, सो इट इज थीटा इक्वल्स टू 2n pi upon 2 plus minus pi upon 2 into 2, where n belongs to any integer. So from here theta equals to 2n pi upon 2 है, so only n pi आ जाएगा. n pi plus minus pi upon 4, where n belongs to any integer. And other value को आई थी थीटा की हमारे पास. from here it is equal to theta equals to 2n pi, where n belongs to any integer. So these are our final answers. I hope you all understand it well. Best of luck.